Guys, so welcome back again. So in this channel I'll be showing you how you can upload your short videos and get your 1000 subscribers as an upcoming YouTuber. We all know that we need the 1000 subscribers as fast as possible, so short is the very best way you can start creating to get your very first 1000 subscriber. And also, if you are creating shorts, make sure you focus on one niche while creating short. Like, focus on one niche. If you're into lifestyle, make sure you start your short with lifestyle. What is short? Short is a, let me say, 0 to 15 seconds video, or 0 to 6 seconds video, or 0 to 50 seconds video. These are short content. For those of you who don't want to create maybe long form content, you want to start creating short to grow your 1000 subscriber, this is a very best way to grow your subscriber very fast. But mind you, make sure you focus on one niche. If you want to do AI, start your AI content posting short. Post on short. It is very important. Then you can now from there move on to your long form content. But in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to upload your short to get your 1k views, how you can also use short to get your very first 1000 subscriber. So let's go right now as we forge ahead.
So guys, you see that plus sign there, you click on it, you go to shorts. Yes, once you click on it, you go to shorts, then you see the star icon that is close to add sound. Click on it. Once you click on it, you see create videos, you see turn text to videos. Click on that create videos, the very first one there. Once you click on it, there is this box that is open for you to add your prompts. Very important. You go ahead, you give the YouTube AI the prompt you want it to the video you want it to recreate. For me, on this particular video, we are going to be putting in room care was threatened by her customers after she damaged her client's dress. Yeah, so this is the particular prompt I'm giving AI to create a video for me. Once you enter that prompt, you are in kind of giving him the direction of what you want your videos to be, what your video direction is to look like. So that is you giving the YouTube AI the prompt or how he can generate your video. Mind you, without prompt you cannot generate your video. So if this is the kind of content you want to watch or you want to learn from, please do well to follow this channel as we grow together. Like, comment, and also do well to share this video to many others who are still struggling with their 1000 subscribers, or who don't know how to go about their 1000 subscribers the easiest way. You can as well create short, and you can as well make money from short. Don't mind people who say that you cannot make money from short doesn't pay, short destroy channels. It is for you to know how to create it and use it the right way is what that matters. Do you understand? So short has paid a whole lot of people and still paying people. So yeah, so after you input your prompts here, you have to be patient because sometimes network can kind of hang depending on the network you are in kind of using. Very important. So I'm trying to give YouTube AI the prompt that is going to work with to create Ronke, the fashion tailor that damaged her client's dress. And after damaging her client's dress, the client threatening her that if she didn't bring or give her a new dress, it will not she's going to punish her, stuff like that. So now this is the video. The video is already ready, so I'm trying to also add a title. Like, I'm trying to also add a little text that will stir up curiosity, that will make people to click on this video, watch this video, and eventually subscribe. So mind you, when creating short, you must write a text on the picture of that video. It goes a long way, it helps a long way. It really helps. It will is going to create curiosity. Your subscribers will want to know what the video is all about. Very important. So that is just that. I'm trying to put it, and after I'm done currently putting it, I will have to as well put subscribe. You must always remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. When they subscribe to your channel, they can be able to get notified when you upload another. So very, very important. Now the next phase is add details. After creating your shorts, there is what they call details. You must add details. Details is you feeding the YouTube algorithm what your channel is made of, what your short is made of. First of all, the first box we have up there is title. So I'm going to put Runke was threatened by her customers because she damaged a customer's dress, or Ruke damaged her client dress and she was threatened by her customer. Now, after putting your title is very important. Make sure you add this hashtags to these titles: hashtag shorts, hashtag viral, hashtag trending, hashtag African folktales. If possible, you are into African folktales, make sure you use this hashtag that I've called out for you. Now, after putting your hashtag and your title, make sure you take that the same title, place it on your description. Is very important. And also make sure you choose this video is not meant for kids. When you started your YouTube channel, you get to a point where they will ask you in your upload defaults, tick if this channel is made for kids or is not made for kids, or if this channel is from 80 years above or 80 years below. You are the one to and kind of tick that. So make sure you choose no, this channel is not made for kids, because if you choose yes, the channel is made for kids, the comment section will be restricted in the sense that nobody can post anything in the comment section. They believe that the people coming to watch your videos are kids, and kids don't know what to type in the comment section. So that is why they disable the comment section. Make sure you indicate that your video or your channel is not meant for kids. Like I said before, the title which you use, you can as well put it in your description. You can as well get a description for that your particular video. Now make sure you choose AI, because AI will want you to kind of choose, is this content for AI? If you eventually use AI to create that content, make sure you choose AI. If you do not use AI to create your content, for those of you who are into vlogs and the rest, make sure you click it there. Now our video is going up. You will have to allow it to upload from 1 to 100 before it can be ready for consumption, guys. So if you don't understand anything, or if you're finding it confusing, let me know in the comment section. I will come down to the comment section there and tell you and take you through on what you are to do. So we're going to allow it to load for a while. So guys, right now our video is ready. Look at our video. Our video is ready. You can see it.